If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Take you up, boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
I'm the neck cutter and I'm 2 blocks away. I'm the neck cutter and I'm 2 blocks away. Violent.
Alright, so we got the trivet. Put that in there. A little bit of chicken broth. A little bit of oil and some seasoning on the chicken. Now this chicken is mostly frozen. It's like the outer, maybe 1/4 inch at most, is a little thawed. A little more oil and seasoning in there. More chicken broth.
Audio Jungle.
Seal her up. Yeah, make sure it's on sealing. Now, I put this in for 50 minutes, and that's kind of a screw up. I should have went with maybe 35, maybe even 30. Yeah, I checked the temperature. It was about 185 degrees inside, so we're about 20 degrees over. I found using the tongs this way is probably the easiest way to get that trivet out of there if you have something heavy on it, roast, chicken, whatever it may be. We got some cabbage, sweet potatoes, onions, carrots. Again, I went a little long on the time. Probably could have got away with maybe 8 or 9 minutes. So since the skin is, you know, pretty steamed, I'm gonna throw it in there under the broiler, get a little crisped up. Now, as soon as that pin drops, you're pretty safe to take the lid off. That's a sweet potato right there. It's almost mush really at 12 minutes, but it was delicious. Ooh, just up on the top. So even with the overcooking, it was still pretty moist. Very tender. In fact, one of the wings fell off when I took it out of the Instant Pot. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I definitely recommend getting an Instant Pot. Dinner's easy, and it's awesome. Also, apologize for all the stupid sound effects. I think I'm funny or something. I don't know.